Hi, and thank you for purchasing this course. Before we get started, I just wanted to point out that if you have any medical issues, that you should probably consult with your doctor first. Also, do all the methods and techniques very gently and to your own degree. And even if you may not see the connection between, let's say, your hamstrings or your calves and your back, please trust the process and do the methods and see the outcome. Some of the places you may have a firm belief that you are weak there, but in fact you're not weak, but you're overly tight there. So I did a lot of research and I brought this into this course for you to try. And I hope you're gonna have fun with it and you get the result desired, the result that I've gotten after my car accident, the result that many of my clients got, and again, hopefully you will get the same. All right, let's get started.